Hi everyone, welcome to Sutra Online. So this is Kumar sir. Today I am going to teach about problems based on Venn diagram. Now in that one question. If A is set of factors of 9 and B is set of prime factors of 9, then find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A by using Venn diagram. So it is a long question. Now we need to find this one. So first of all, what is A set? What is B set? That we should find. A set is what? Set of factors of 9. Set of factors of 9. That is A set. 9 factors, 1, 3, 9. Now let A equals to set of 1, 3, 9. And B equal to B set is given that set of prime factors of 9. Now which is a prime number and it is a factor of 9. So factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. In that prime number is 3. So B set is 3. Now it is A set, it is B set. Find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A by using Venn diagram. Okay. So it is first of all A union B. A union B equal to 1, 3, 9. Union B set is 3. A union B equal to 1. Here not there. Union means combination of all. Set A or set B. So A union B is 1, 3, 9. Now Venn diagram here only we should draw. Venn diagram is so A set, B set. Here A set, B set is subset to A set. So a B set completely lies on A set. Now we can take Venn diagram is, so it is B set. Now it is A set. Venn diagram. Here mu. Elements we can take element here 3. In B set 3. In A set 1, 3, 9. Now A union B we have to shade. This total part is 1, 3, 9 total part. So total part is A union B. This part is A union B part. A union B part. Now shading part represents A union B. Next one A intersection B. Next one is A intersection B. A intersection B equal to A set 1, 3, 9. Intersection 3. B set is 3. Intersection nothing but common element. Two sets are having common element, that is intersection part. Now here A intersection B equal to element 3, here also 3. That is a common. Here 3, here 3. It is a common element. Now A intersection B is set of 3. A intersection B is set of 3. Now we will draw Venn diagram. Venn diagram is, so it is mu set we can draw. First one. Mu set. It is B set. This one is A set. In set B only element 3. Only 3 element. In A set 1, 3, 9. 1, it is also B set only 9. Now answer A intersection B part. A intersection B is 3. That part only we have to shade. So that is this one. So this shading part is A intersection B part. It is A intersection B. Shading part represents A intersection B. Yes. Next one A minus B. Now first A minus B we need to find. After that Venn diagram. A set is 139, B set is 3. So A set 1, 3, 9 minus B set. B set is 3. Now A minus B nothing but here 139, here 3. Common element except common elements of A set. Except common elements of A set. Now here except A set common elements 1 and 9. That part is A minus B. That part is A minus B. Now A minus B equal to only 1 comma 9. Only 1 comma 9. Here we should draw Venn diagram. So Venn diagram is it is the Venn diagram for A minus B. Now this set is B set. So it is what this one is A set. It is mu. Now elements we can take. Elements are in set B 3, in set A 1 and 9. Now A minus B answer is 1, 9. A minus B nothing but except B elements. Except B elements is A minus B. So now we should shade. So this part is except B set. This shading part is except B set. So it is A minus B. Shading part represents A minus B. Next one B minus A. Next one is B minus A. Now I am taking B minus A. B set is only 3 minus A set is 1 comma 3 comma 9. 1 comma 3 comma 9. Here B minus A common elements 3 3. In B set there is no one more there is no element. There is no element. That's why it is B minus A is the empty set. B minus A is empty set. Now B minus A equal to empty. There is no element except A. There is no element. So B minus A is empty set. Now I am taking Venn diagram for B minus A. For B minus A Venn diagram. This set is B. This set is A. So total mu set. Now elements in set B 3, in set A 1, 3, 9. Now here B minus A is empty we got. B minus A empty set. So there is no shading part here. Because of it is B set element 3. A set having 1, 3, 9. So there is no shading part. It is B minus A Venn diagram. Okay. Now question is A is a set of factors of 9. B is a set of prime factors of 9. Then find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A by using Venn diagram. Now A equal to set of factors of 9, 1, 3, 9 and B equal to set of prime factors of 9. In the factors 1, 3, 9, 3 is the prime number. So B set is 3. B set is 3. Now first we need to find A union B. A set union B set. So A union B nothing but elements which are belongs to A or B. So 1, 3, 9 only. It is a Venn diagram. Next A intersection B. 1, 3, 9 intersection 3. In these two sets, so common element of A and B, that is 3 only. It is a Venn diagram. Shading part represents A intersection B. Next A minus B. A set minus B set. So here common elements 3 without common means except of B set is 1, 9. So 1, 9 is shading part. B minus A except of common of B of A, except of common of A, there is no element. So B minus A empty set. Empty means there is no shading part. Thank you ma. Thank you everyone. Please share and subscribe it.